How to find your PIN in Roblox 2025. First open Roblox and click on the cogwheel icon. Next, go to the Help and Safety section, then select Help Center. Once you're in the Help Center, search for PIN in the articles, and you'll see an option that says, I forgot the PIN. Click on that. From there, click on the Contact form, and a new web page will load. On this page, you'll need to enter your username, first name, and email address. The email address is important because you'll receive a confirmation email there. After that, select the device you're having the problem with. For example, I selected PC because I play Roblox on PC. In the Type of Help category, select Account Hacked or Account Login, and then choose Account PIN from the next menu. Now, describe your issue by typing something like, I forgot my Roblox PIN and I can't access my settings. I'd like to reset it if possible. After that, click on Continue. This will send an email to Roblox support, and they will guide you through the process of resetting your PIN. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.